Welcome to Chapter 3. Before we get into specific economic models, I want to answer a question that trips up a lot of students. Why are we studying economics in a politics course at all? The answer comes down to one word: scarcity. Here's the logic. Human beings are a social species. We define our wants in cooperation with other people. And if resources were infinite, none of this would matter. Everyone could simply have whatever they wanted. But we don't live in that world. Resources are finite. Society can only produce so much. So every society has to answer the same fundamental question: who gets what, and how do they get it? That question is the core of economics, and it is unavoidably political. Watch how tightly the two are linked. In democracies, governments get reelected or thrown out largely based on economic performance. Incumbents love to hold elections during booms. Voters hold leaders accountable for the economy because leaders genuinely shape it through monetary policy, fiscal policy, and regulation. Political decisions move the economy. Economic outcomes move political fortunes. It runs both directions. To compare economies, we use a few key indicators. Gross domestic product measures the total value of goods and services a country produces in a year. But GDP alone is misleading because it ignores population. So we look at GDP per capita. As of recent figures, US per capita income is around $80,000. In India, it's closer to $2,700. That gap radically changes what citizens can expect from their government. Then there's the Gini coefficient, which measures inequality. 0 means perfect equality. 1 means a single person holds all the income. The United States sits near 0.49, high for an advanced democracy, while Denmark is near 0.28. Those numbers aren't accidents. They reflect deliberate choices about taxes and welfare. And that's the deeper point. Political values and economic models shape each other. Milton Friedman argued you can't control your own life without rights over economic resources. That's why classical liberals tie property to liberty. Critics respond that concentrated private wealth can dominate people just as surely as government can. Hold on to that tension. It runs through this entire chapter.